Hi, my name's Gary. I have come to Dr. Rawnsley because I had some rhinoplasty about 7 years ago, and just none of it seemed to go right. So now it's time to get everything done properly. When you go back in and try to correct someone's work that's not right, it's going to take intricacy, it's going to take someone who's an authority, and that's not something to be taken lightly. I went to the web, I asked around to friends, some in the industry, and a recurring name kept coming up, Dr. Rawnsley, Dr. Rawnsley. So I said, well, I think it's time to seek this man out and find out what we can do, and that's why I'm here. Well, when I came in to meet Dr. Rawnsley, he completely understood what I was talking about. So we shot some imaging, we then went to the computer, he did some shading, he said, okay, here's what we're gonna do. He explained everything, and he put it right in front of me on a computer screen, and I went, okay, now that's the guy I knew in college before that nose got broken. So it was just very reassuring, and the research that I did completely matched up with him. So now we've taken all the steps, we've done all our consultations, we've taken the photos, and in a couple of weeks we'll go in and we'll do the surgery, and I'm confident it's going to come out great, and I can't wait to see what he does. I had revision rhinoplasty about 5 months ago with Dr. Rawnsley, and I will tell you that it has changed my lifestyle and outlook 100%, and I am thrilled. The great thing is I was fortunate enough that Dr. Rawnsley could use a closed procedure when he did my revision rhinoplasty, and that's why my healing was a little quicker, pain factor virtually zero, and swelling almost non-existent. So my first surgery with my previous doctor, there was tons of packing. It was very, very, very intrusive, and I have a tendency to get vertigo when things like that happen. And that was one of my concerns when I talked to Dr. Rawnsley. And he said, first things first, we're not going to have to use any packing whatsoever, which I was thrilled to hear because that was one of my major issues. Prior to the surgery with Dr. Rawnsley, I woke up, honestly, 2 or 3 times a night having to turn back and forth on each side of my body trying to get my sinuses to clear properly. Now, I don't know if you've woken up 2 or 3 times a night every night for many, many years, but you just don't have the proper energy level. And since that surgery with Dr. Rawnsley, not a night have I woken up in the middle of the night. Absolutely, my energy level through the roof. So that was essential, and that was perfect. So the aesthetics, yeah, I'll take them. The breathing, most important thing. I could not be more pleased with the decision I made. And if anybody is considering revision rhinoplasty, and you have to really do your research, I would say come to Dr. Rawnsley, and you will not be disappointed.